Here we're back with Mike the Mensch, Mike the Jew.
Mike the Jew, back with another story of the Jew perspective from Mike the Jew. So, I get my father one day, he asked me, he goes, Michael, with Rolling Thunder, now I'm one of the founding members of Rolling Thunder, Maryland, Chapter 1. Jews do ride motorcycles. And so, but I'm the only Jewish person in the chapter. And Dad goes, hey, do they treat you any differently being that you're a Jew? And I said, Pop, these guys are mostly first responders, policemen, firemen. They're all God, country, apple pie, Christian, but they believe in the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. And the fact that I'm a Jew, they're so nice to me, it's like they get extra credit in heaven for being nice to a Jew. So it's not like that you're Jewish. I even got the pastor, the national pastor of Rolling Thunder, when he prays now, he says, amen and shalom. And I go, I got a shalom, I got a shalom. And just letting you know, that's how it is. I love the chapter, love the country, and Jews fit in.
Amen.
Amen.
And shalom.
And shalom and Hag Sameach Purim.
Hag Sameach Purim. Thank you.
Yeah, just a smile.